Electric eels are amazing creatures that have fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for many years. They primarily live in the murky waters of the Amazon River, a place teeming with diverse wildlife. One of the most incredible things about electric eels is their ability to generate powerful electric shocks. Despite their name, electric eels are not actually eels. They belong to a group of fish known as knifefish. These fascinating creatures are more closely related to catfish than to true eels. Just like catfish, they have a unique way of navigating their environment. Electric eels are most famous for their ability to produce electric shocks, which they use for various purposes. These shocks can be incredibly strong, sometimes reaching up to 600 volts. Electric eels use their electric shocks for hunting, stunning their prey before consuming it. They also use these shocks to locate and capture food in the dark, murky waters. Additionally, electric eels use their electric abilities to defend themselves from predators. Interestingly, they even use electric signals to communicate with each other. Electric eels are truly fascinating creatures with a lot of unique characteristics. Scientists are continually studying them to uncover more about their mysterious lives. There is still so much to discover about these enigmatic fish. We do know that they can grow to impressive sizes. Some electric eels can reach lengths of over 6 feet, which is longer than many people are tall. These remarkable creatures continue to amaze us with their unique adaptations and abilities. For a long time, people thought there was only one kind of electric eel. These fascinating creatures were known for their ability to generate electricity, which they use for hunting and self-defense. But scientists recently made a shocking discovery. Through extensive research and field studies, they uncovered new information that changed our understanding of these electric marvels. They found out that there are actually 3 different species. This revelation was groundbreaking and opened up new avenues for research. The 3 species are the electric eel, the Volta's electric eel, and the Vary's electric eel. Each species has unique characteristics and behaviors. The Volta's electric eel can give the strongest shock. It is known for its powerful electric discharge, which can be quite dangerous. It can produce up to 860 volts of electricity. This is an incredible amount of power for a living organism. That is more than 5 times the voltage of a standard wall socket. Imagine the strength of such a shock in the wild. The discovery of 3 species was very exciting. It was a moment of triumph for the scientific community. It helps us understand electric eels better. By studying these species, scientists can learn more about their habits and how they interact with their environment. Scientists want to learn more about how the 3 species are different. They are particularly interested in their genetic makeup and evolutionary history. They also want to know more about how electric eels evolved. Understanding their evolution can provide insights into the development of electric organs in other species. This discovery was a big step forward in electric eel research. It has paved the way for future studies and potential breakthroughs in the field. Electric eels have special organs in their bodies that make electricity. These fascinating creatures have evolved over millions of years to develop this unique ability. These organs are called electric organs. They are specialized structures that allow the eel to generate and discharge electricity. Most of an electric eel's body is made up of electric organs. In fact, these organs can take up about 80% of their body length. The electric organs are made up of thousands of tiny cells called electrocytes. Each electrocyte can produce a small amount of electricity. These cells work together to create an electric current. When the eel wants to generate electricity, it sends a signal from its brain to these cells. Think of it like a battery. Just like a battery stores and releases energy, the electric eel's cells store and release electrical energy. A battery has positive and negative ends. These ends are crucial for the flow of electricity. When you connect the ends, electricity flows. Similarly, when the electric eel activates its electrocytes, electricity flows through its body. An electric eel's body is like a living battery. This natural battery can generate up to 600 volts of electricity. Electric eels use their electricity for many things. They have adapted this ability for survival in their environment. They use it to stun prey. This makes it easier for them to catch and eat their food. They use it to defend themselves. The electric shock can deter predators and keep the eels safe, and they even use it to communicate with each other. Electric eels can send signals to one another using their electric organs. Electric eels are a great example of how animals have adapted to their environment. Their ability to generate electricity is a remarkable evolutionary trait. Electric eels are not afraid to use their electric shocks. In fact, they are known to attack predators with them. If an electric eel feels threatened, it will often leap out of the water to deliver a shock. This is a very effective way to scare off a predator. The electric shock from an electric eel can be very painful. It can even be dangerous to humans. That's why it's important to be careful around electric eels. Never try to touch one. Electric eels are amazing creatures with a powerful ability. They remind us that there's still much to learn about the natural world.